Welcome back, gadget enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into 20 Amazon kitchen gadgets for stress-free cooking and baking. Imagine if cooking and baking could be as simple as pressing a button. These must-have tools are designed to save you time, enhance flavors, and make meal prep a breeze. As always, links to all the gadgets are in the description below. Number 20, digital measuring spoon. Ever second-guessed your measurements while baking? This digital measuring spoon eliminates the guesswork with precise readings, ensuring your recipes turn out perfectly every time. It's easy to clean and store, making it a must-have for anyone who enjoys baking or cooking with precision. The digital display is clear and easy to read, and the spoon is durable enough to withstand regular use. Number 19, spice grinder. What's the secret to bold and fresh flavors? A good spice grinder. This handy tool grinds spices to perfection, elevating your dishes with freshly ground aromas. Its ergonomic design and easy-to-use features make it perfect for both seasoned chefs and casual cooks. With a spice grinder, you can experiment with new flavors and ingredients, taking your cooking to the next level. Number 18, flour sifter. Are your baked goods not as fluffy as you'd like? The flour sifter aerates your flour for lighter cakes and pastries, taking your baking to professional levels. The fine mesh ensures that no clumps are left behind, and the sifting process helps incorporate air into the flour. Whether you're a beginner baker or a seasoned pro, the flour sifter is a game changer in the kitchen. Number 17, cheese grater. Think grating cheese is a hassle. This ergonomic cheese grater makes shredding smooth and mess-free, whether it's for pizza, pasta, or salads. Its comfortable handle and non-slip base make it easy to use, while its compact design ensures that it fits neatly in your kitchen drawer. Whether you prefer fine, medium, or coarse shreds, this tool delivers the versatility you need. Number 16, Cupcake Corer. What if you could add a surprise center to your cupcakes? The Cupcake Corer makes hollowing out the perfect spot for fillings effortless, creating delightful desserts every time. The Corer removes just enough cake without damaging the structure, ensuring a neat and consistent hollow center. It's easy to use and cleaning is a breeze. Number 15, French fry cutter. Who doesn't love crispy homemade fries? This French fry cutter ensures even cuts for perfectly cooked fries that rival your favorite takeout. By using fresh potatoes, you can make healthier fries compared to store-bought frozen varieties. Its easy-to-use lever mechanism and sturdy design ensure that you can make a large batch of fries without breaking a sweat. Number 14, rice dispenser. What if storing rice was mess-free and measured to perfection? The rice dispenser offers one-touch dispensing and keeps your grains fresh and organized. It's designed to hold a large amount of rice, and the built-in measuring system ensures you get the right portion every time. Perfect for anyone who cooks rice regularly, the dispenser helps keep your kitchen neat. Number 13, sausage grill cooker. Love juicy, perfectly cooked sausages. This gadget grills multiple sausages at once, ensuring even cooking and juicy results without the hassle. With this tool, you can grill sausages to perfection every time, without worrying about undercooking or burning. It's a great addition to any kitchen, especially for those who love grilling and cooking outdoors. Number 12, cake knife. Struggling with uneven cake slices? This sleek cake knife ensures clean, precise cuts, making your desserts look as good as they taste. The cake knife is designed for both functionality and aesthetics, making it a must-have tool for anyone who loves baking and decorating cakes. Its professional-grade quality means you'll achieve perfect slices every time. Number 11, baking mat. Tired of messy countertops and sticky dough? The baking mat is a reusable, non-stick solution for rolling, baking, and decorating with ease. The mat can be used again and again, making it an eco-friendly alternative to parchment paper. With its heat-resistant properties, you can bake with confidence, knowing your creations will slide off with ease. Number 10, burger holder. Wish you could enjoy burgers without the mess. The burger holder keeps your hands clean while securely holding your favorite burgers. The holder is made from durable materials, ensuring that it's sturdy enough to handle even the juiciest burgers. With its compact design, it's easy to store and clean, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen tools. Number 9, butter cutter. Struggling to cut cold butter? The butter cutter slices through with precision, making it easy to measure and spread without the struggle. This tool is perfect for when you're baking or simply need a perfectly sliced piece of butter for toast. Its sharp blades allow you to cut through even the hardest butter. Number 8. Oven guards. Ever burned your hands on a hot oven rack? Oven guards are heat-resistant covers that protect your hands from accidental burns while cooking. Made from heat-resistant materials, they ensure your hands stay protected while handling hot cookware. If you cook frequently, oven guards are a must-have for ensuring safety in the kitchen. They're easy to install and clean, making them a practical addition to your kitchen. Number 7. Cocktail drink mixer. Want to mix cocktails like a pro? This electric cocktail drink mixer makes whipping up your favorite drinks quick, easy, and bar-worthy. It's great for home parties, casual get-togethers, or just relaxing with a drink after a long day. The cocktail drink mixer is an essential tool for anyone who loves creating delicious cocktails in the comfort of their own home. Number 6. Electric peeler. Hate peeling fruits and veggies? The electric peeler does the job in seconds, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. No more struggling with a manual peeler or wasting time. It's perfect for anyone who loves to cook but wants to save time in the kitchen. The electric peeler is easy to use and clean, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen tools. Number 5. Electric s'mores. Wish you could enjoy s'mores without a campfire? This electric s'mores maker brings the fun of roasting marshmallows indoors. Simply load up your s'mores kit, press a button, and enjoy your favorite treat without leaving the comfort of your home. It's a fun, easy way to indulge in this classic dessert all year long. Number 4. Food processor. What's the ultimate multitasker in the kitchen? A food processor. From chopping veggies to kneading dough, it's a game changer for quick meal prep. The different attachments and blades make it easy to customize for various tasks, while the large capacity means you can prepare meals for the whole family in one go. Number 3. Dish drying rack. Are dishes piling up in your kitchen? This expandable dish drying rack provides ample space and smart drainage to keep your countertops tidy. With separate sections for plates, glasses, and utensils, you'll have everything organized and accessible. It's a simple yet effective solution to one of the most common kitchen problems: keeping your dishes organized and dry. Number 2. Strainer. What if draining pasta and rinsing veggies were spill-free? This strainer's ergonomic design ensures efficiency and convenience. Its unique design ensures that it sits securely over your sink or bowl, preventing spills and messes. The strainer is an essential tool for anyone who enjoys cooking without the hassle of messy cleanups. Number 1. Herb Saver. How do you keep herbs fresh for weeks? The Herb Saver locks in moisture and flavor, reducing waste and maximizing your ingredients. It's perfect for home cooks who love using fresh ingredients without the worry of wasting them. The Herb Saver is easy to use and clean, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen tools. So which of these kitchen gadgets will you try first? These innovative tools are designed to make cooking and baking stress-free and enjoyable. Let us know your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to share this list with your fellow food enthusiasts.